Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to do a quick review on a ColourPop eyeshadow palette. It's called Jaded and it's by Kathleen Lights, and the palette looks like this. It comes with a cover like that. It's the same picture as on the palette, and it does not have a mirror, which I don't mind because we have so many mirrors in all the palettes anyway. And this is how the palette looks. It's such a beautiful colors. You have your basic colors over here, all this like the transition color, and then you have your deep colors over there, and then you have some fun colors over here. I mainly got this because of the jewel tone colors in here. I'm gonna give you a quick swatch and then I'm gonna jump right into an eye look so I could show you an eye look that you could do with this. You could do so many different looks. If you guys are interested in seeing more looks using this palette, comment down below and I will do other eyeshadow looks. But for today I am thinking of doing, I want to use this green. This green looks so pretty. I love the way it looks. It's like that green, but it's more like a minty green shimmer. So I would love to put this all over my eyelid and then have some transition. So I'm going to do a quick look. I'm going to give you swatches. I have been using this for about a week or two now and I absolutely love it. ColourPop formula is really good. It blends good. You don't have to take too much time. It's pigmented, and some of the colors do have a little bit of fall kick up powder, and I don't really mind that. It's not that much, and I love the fact that all the pan is like small, so then I don't need a big pan because I'm not gonna probably use up the whole thing. So I like the fact that it's small so I can work through them and not feel like I'm wasteful. So let's jump into the swatches, then we could do a look. I have all my makeup done except for my eyes, so we're just gonna jump right into it. But before we do that, please subscribe if you haven't. I hope if you're new, I hope you stay for a while and subscribe. Hit that like button if you like it, and please comment down below what kind of looks and what kind of videos you would like me to do, and share with friends and family and turn on that notification. So let's jump into swatches and then the look. So my card was full as I was talking about the last set of swatches. So I was talking about this row over here, talking about this shade particularly. It is such a beautiful light color. It's almost like your clear nail polish that you put on top. So you could use this on any matte opaque shadow and make it into a satin finish, because this doesn't have a color, it just has that beautiful glassy look, and it's so beautiful. I love this. You could put it on the inner corner. You could also put it as a wash of color by itself, and it will be like a see-through nice satin color. Let's go ahead and jump into a look. I have my eyelids set with the concealer. I am gonna set it with the color called My Precious. Then I'm gonna go into the shade that's called You Are a Gem, and put it all over my crease, bringing it up high. Then I'm gonna go into Cornelius and put it just in this crease. Just blend it up. Just make it all seamless. Then I'm gonna go into the color Jasper and put it to the outer corner. Keep it just in the crease and the outer V. Then I'm blending it with the previous brush that I used without any product, just making it smooth. I'm going to build up that Jasper a little bit more. Then I'm going to take the color Aquamarine and put it all over the lid. This is such a beautiful color. Then I'm going in with this color called Turquoise, and I am putting it just at the corner and blending it with Jasper. I'm just going back and forth and blending the aquamarine into the turquoise. I'm gonna go and put the mascara and eyeliner, and I'll be right back, and then we'll do the lower lash. Okay guys, so I got my eyeliner in. Since I have so much going on my upper lid, I'm gonna keep my bottom lashes very simple. I'm gonna go in with my almost done with my MAC eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do my traditional dark waterline. And then I am going to use a little smudging brush and take that Jasper, the dark brown, and just blend the black and smudge it. I'm gonna dip into that color Pearl and put some on my eyebrow bone, brow bone, and a little bit on my inner corner. So guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. So that is it guys for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to do more looks using this palette, because this palette does have a lot of colors and a lot of looks that you could do with this. So if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share with your families and friends. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want more looks. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Have a wonderful, great day and stay safe. God bless. Bye.